G'day folks, welcome back to Shotgun Versus. Today we're going to be upgrading the size of the game console we're going to be testing our destructive power against. This time we're looking at Microsoft's little baby. This is an older console, it doesn't work anymore. It was generously donated by a friend of the show named Laura. So thank you very much for the donation. So we're going to see if Magnum Birdshot can penetrate this box. Now, honestly, I think we're going to see something very similar to the Monitor with this one. It's thick, there's a lot of parts in here, a lot of them are made of metal and aluminum. Does a lot more to stop Birdshot than plastic does. So we're going to set this up and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so we're going to take a look and see what it did. As you can see, the Birdshot punched through the plastic covering, but when it got to the metal on the inside, it just it didn't have the punch. You can see here all the dents in here. It's just little bumps from all the pellets. Even the majority of the shot that hit here just didn't have the power to get right through the metal. So you can see the other side, still pristine, and that holds up with expectations. Like I said, there's a ton of metal in here, and it's just Birdshot has a much harder time with metal than it does most other things. So, yeah, point goes to the household object. Okay, so since the Birdshot didn't penetrate it, what we're going to do is see how many rounds of this shot it would take to actually destroy the object. Give you an idea as to whether it's even worth wasting a second shot on or not. Probably not, again, like I said, with all that metal, but at this point I'm curious to see how many rounds it's going to take to actually wreck this thing.
Still intact, huh? Fuck. Woo! Hey, what's that came flying out?
Well, we punched through it.
Nice.
So 3 rounds, and we punched a hole through it.